Believe it or not, words are the doorway to a man's heart. And of course, to his penis. And when he's attracted to you physically, the words you say will be a deciding factor of whether or not he wants to come back for more. So here are 5 sexy phrases that will make him absolutely melt in your hands. Keep watching. Hey there, Adam LaDolce from sexyconfidence.com, where I help you create your love story. In this video, I'm gonna give you 5 sexy phrases, and these are just examples, so you don't have to copy them word for word, but I'm gonna actually talk about the learning points behind these phrases and why they're so effective. So let's jump right into it.
I can't stop thinking about having your hands all over me.
Now, this is a really sexy phrase because it builds sexual tension. And this is especially effective if you haven't even slept together, because he's going to be thinking what it's actually like to be with you. Building tension early on in a relationship is going to make him magnetically attracted to you. Let's jump into number 2.
What's the sexiest thing you've ever thought about? Maybe we can try it.
Now, this is really effective because it shows that you're open-minded. You are interested in exploring his sexuality, and by the same sense, he's going to be interested in exploring yours. And when you start out in a new relationship, you want it to be kind of a judgment-free environment as you're getting to know each other sexually. Let's jump to number 3.
I'm all yours.
Now, this is especially sexy because statistically, more men tend to be dominant in the bedroom. Submissiveness can be very sexy. So when you submit yourself to him, give him your whole self. And now let's jump to number 4.
You just lay back. I'm taking over.
Now, this is my counterpoint to the previous phrase. This is where you're being a little bit more dominant in the bedroom. And this is because, statistically speaking, both men and women enjoy both submissiveness and dominance in the bedroom. Now, according to a survey by YouGov, for men, sexual dominance is preferred over submissiveness by about 2 to 1. But most interestingly, 30% of both men and women say that they enjoy both dominant and submissiveness at different times, depending on their mood. Then there's a whole percentage of people who won't answer the survey just because it's a little too sexual. And those people are lame. And finally, number 5.
I love it when you...
This is where you give him positive feedback in the bedroom. It's okay to communicate what it is that you like in the bedroom. If he's doing something you really enjoy or something you like, tell him about it, because chances are he's gonna do more of it. Then as time goes on, if there are some things that he does in the bedroom that you're just not into at all, and great, because you've been giving so much positive feedback, you can also give him a few things that he could do a little bit differently that you're really into. And ask him the same. I mean, we assume when we're sleeping with someone or getting sexually involved with someone that we just know exactly what it is that they want. And more importantly, we assume that they know what it is that we want, but chances are that's not the case. Use your words and have that kind of a conversation. It's gonna really spice things up in the bedroom and thus build more intimacy in the relationship. So if you enjoyed these phrases and you want more help being able to flirt, build sexual tension, all that good stuff, I actually have a free webinar that I think you're really gonna enjoy. It's at flirtingconfidence.com. So go ahead, click the link in the description anywhere on this page or on my profile, because that is a webinar you're not gonna wanna miss. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, give it a heart, and don't forget to subscribe, because I have a great video coming for you next week. Thanks so much for watching. I'll speak to you next week, you sexy single lady. Bye-bye.